So today you will be learning with me how to make this chicken spaghetti rotel. I just gave it that name. I saw this picture on Facebook. I have 6 boneless, skinless chicken breasts cut up into bite-sized pieces, and I have about a half a block of VELVEETA cheese, 2 cans of ROTEL, a box of spaghetti, taco seasoning, and olive oil. So we're gonna hop right into it. So I already have my wok pan heating up. I'm going to add a little olive oil to cook our chicken. I'm gonna let that heat up. I'm gonna coat the whole pan. Okay, we're gonna wait because the oil is not hot. You wanna hear a little sizzle once the chicken hits the pan. We're gonna add that taco seasoning in at the end, but right now we're just going to add a little salt and pepper. Add a little garlic powder as well. I'm gonna add 1 can of the ROTEL right now, just so some of that flavor can get soaked up into the chicken, and I'm not draining out that extra juice either. We'll add the other can once we add the cheese. So we're going to bring this to a boil. The pot is about 3/4 full of water. And once we bring that to a boil, we are going to add salt. Actually, we can add that salt now. You want this water to be like salt water, so that's why I put so much salt into my pasta water, so it can really flavor the noodles. It's looking pretty much done, so we're gonna drain out most of this water, but we'll probably, or this juice, we'll probably leave about 2 ladlefuls worth of the juice so we can mix in that taco seasoning. And we will add in our taco seasoning mix. Going to add our spaghetti pasta into that boiling water. And this is about how much I have left in the box. So I used a little over half. Awesome! I just dropped the whole box of spaghetti on the floor. We will add the VELVEETA. I've strained this can of ROTEL. There's no juice. It's a lot easier to mix the cheese when it's cut up into little cubes.
A little ground cheddar.